Over the Christmas holidays, we use a number of different kinds of plants to decorate, particularly poinsettias. They're gorgeous red flowers or pink or white, really add a lot to the holidays. Now, gardeners oftentimes feel guilty about throwing these plants away at the end of the season. They'll stay attractive through Christmas, all the way into New Year's, and even longer than that. But once they start looking poorly, not attractive anymore, or you simply get tired of them, throw them away. If you want to, chop them up and throw them in your compost pile. They're a great addition to the compost. Don't think that you can keep these plants and treat them in some sort of way and then recreate this beautiful poinsettia. Your home growing conditions simply will not allow it. So don't imagine that you'll recreate a great poinsettia. Toss them and buy new ones every year. However, Christmas cactuses, different thing altogether. They can live for many, many years and bloom for you year after year. So when the holidays are finished and all the flowers have faded and fallen off your Christmas cactuses, put them in a nice bright window, water them regularly when the soil begins to feel dry, and keep them inside through the winter season. In the summer, you can put them out on a nice shady porch or a patio, grow them outside. As the days get shorter and cold in the fall, it's going to set little flower buds, and when the flower buds set, bring the plant back inside, let it bloom, and display it then. You can repeat that year after year for years. So throw away your poinsettias and don't you feel a bit guilty about it, but keep your Christmas cactuses. They'll be beautiful for years to come. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.